Good morning, guys! It is Thursday! Day off ko na naman. Thursday at saka Friday, tapos I'm working weekend. Maglilinis ako ng bahay. It's already maybe 30 minutes past 10. And naka-edit na ako. So, my morning is very productive so far. Naka-edit ako ng isang video. And I had my coffee already. Of course, coffee talaga. First thing in the morning. And then now I'm gonna clean the house. And then... the mess I have on that table right there though. Mag-film ako mamaya, kaya dyan na muna yan sila. Sana maano ko yan, maayos ko yan after. We'll see. Anyway, I will clean kasi feeling ko kapag hindi ako naglinis tapos day off ko tapos nandito lang ako sa bahay, hindi productive talaga yung araw ko. Ay naiinis ako kapag nakikita ko na madumi yung bahay tapos nandito lang ako. So, yeah, okay lang if I'm out and about and yeah, so wala ako sa bahay. So, of course, hindi ako nakalinis. Pero kapag nandito lang ako, kahit na meron pa akong ibang gagawin, gusto ko maglinis talaga para malinis siya. Kasi nakakainis kapag madumi yung bahay tapos nandito lang ako. Let's go clean. You wanna watch me clean? Watch me clean, you guys. Let's do this. I will be using... I use the Ajax. Is that how you pronounce this? Spray and wipe, multi-purpose Turvalone. I'm not gonna turn on the heater, so I'm just wearing this because I will be washing this today anyway. Kasi I will do laundry tonight. Maglo-laundry na sana ako, kaya lang hindi pa enough yung ilo-laundry ko kasi I did laundry on Tuesday night. Kasi ang dami na pala namin. Kahit na nag-laundry na ako nung weekend, marami pa rin kaming laundry on Tuesday kasi mga damit galing weekend, tapos nag-workout na kami, diba? Cha! Anyway, okay, linis na tayo. I hate cleaning this part. Ito. Kaya lang wala akong magawa kasi si Dan sobrang hate din niya nalinisin to. Like, hindi niya nililinis to at all. Kahit na siya magluto, kahit sino magluto, minsan lang siya nagluluto, pero ayaw niya dyan. So, wala tayong magawa, besh. Kailangan natin gawin. Naalala ko, bumili pala ako nito, guys. Ito, oh. Susuot ko siya ngayon. Nakakaloka. Siguro mga isang week na to dito. Hindi ko pa siya nagamit. Oops! It's everywhere now. Okay. Uh-oh. That's fine. Susuot ko siya. Ang cute. Ang ganda. Okay. Ang init. Kaya lang, wala akong bra. Tapos yung yung pantulog ko sa ilalim manipis. So, kitang-kita naman ang aking dyan. Alam nyo na. Okay, vacuum. Okay, cleaning is done, pero hindi ko nilinis tong part na to kasi, yeah, hindi ko alam guys kung anong gagawin ko. Hindi ko pa alam kung kailan ko siya malilinis. I'm wearing this and I'm cold, but I'm gonna go to the lounge mamaya because I will film a video. I'm just gonna I will just put foundation on and then I will film an exciting video. Maybe you've already seen it. Ano? I will try the wavy brow trend kasi nakita ko yung, basta, explain ko sa video. But, I will just put foundation on para brows na lang yung gagawin ko sa video na yun. So, yeah, that's the ganap. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko pa to malilinis tong kwarto na to or kailan ko pa maayos tong kwarto na to kasi bukas meron akong ganap. So, I will not be home most of the time bukas kasi sabi ni Kat, bisitaan namin si Love. So, yun. Maano na naman siya, madi-delay na naman siya, mapopostpone na naman yung aking paglilinis dito sa kwarto na to. But that's alright. I will film and, yeah. Kasi ngayong gabi din kasi pupunta kami sa bahay ng mama ni Dan. Instead of Friday, Thursday na yung dinner kasi Friday hindi available yung kuya ni Dan at saka yung family niya kasi merong ganap yung anak nila sa Friday. So, ayaw nilang pagudan ng bonggang-bongga yung baby. So, magpapahinga sila ng maaga. Anyway, I'll just put foundation on and then I'll start filming the video. Red talaga ako dito, no? Di ko alam kung bakit. Siguro dahil sa background na yan. Dahil sa, ano? Pero kapag dito, yeah, same lang. Feeling ko dahil sa green na background. Hindi naman. Hindi ko alam. Okay. I just finished filming 2 videos, guys, and I know my eyebrows are dark, but that's okay kasi dark naman yung buhok ko. It's just, yeah, it's just darker this time. I use the, I use the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This one is in the shade 4, and yeah, medyo napa-over siya. Pero okay lang. I filmed kasi kanina yung wavy eyebrow, tapos ni-remove ko siya and yeah, pinalitan ko ng matinong eyebrows. Katatapos ko lang mag-film, nag-film ako ng massive unboxing shoe haul, try-on, something like that. Liligpitin ko lang itong mga to and then maybe I will film another video. I will film my visa stuff maybe. Hindi ko alam kasi kailangan kong seryosoin yun eh. Kasi alam ko maraming, kasi gusto ko na maging siya, very helpful. Pero yeah, pero marami ako kasi hindi na natatandaan when it comes to the application and stuff. Pero yeah, I will look it up and maybe think about what I'm gonna say before actually doing the video para I just want it to be as, ano ba tawag dun? Ano ba yung term? Ano ba yung term? Yung may matutunan, yung ano talaga siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung term. Anyway, ang init. Inon ko yung heater. Hello! Katatapos ko lang mag-film, guys. So, I filmed 3 videos today. And then, I'm vlogging as well. So, 4 videos. That's good. Kasi bukas aalis ako. So, that means I can't film tomorrow. But, yeah, I need to eat. Kasi, we're supposed to go to the gym today. I feel like very, you know. We're supposed to go to the gym today. Kaya lang sabi ni Dan makakauwi siya late na daw. It's already 4 and he planned to go home at 4 para makapunta kami ng gym. Kaya lang meron siyang appointment that came up. So, kailangan niyang unahin yung appointment niya kaysa sa gym. So, we will just go tomorrow morning. So, that's the plan. I have to wake up really early tomorrow to go to the gym. And, yeah, I'm hungry. So, oh, actually, I have been eating my, sorry, I have to take you off from that tripod. I filmed my, visa update. No, not update, visa video dito. So, yeah, I'm eating my Mr. Chips. Mr. Chips, Mr. Chips. Yeah. And lemonade. Very healthy lunch, you guys. Very healthy. Just kidding. Kasi wala akong maluto. Wala kaming meron, pero tinatamad ako. Merong munggo. Tagal ko na nakain ng munggo. Kaya lang wala akong meat para sa munggo. I usually add bacon sa munggo, kaya lang wala kaming meat. So, yeah, aray. Yeah, so kakainin ko lang. Uubusin ko na lang to kasi malapit na din naman siya maubos. Si konti na lang. And lemonade! Tapos, yun na. Hintayin ko lang si Dan kasi siguro in an hour darating na siya. Ang gulo pa dito, guys. Hindi ko pa naayos. Ayusin ko to! Promise. Ngayon na talaga. Ayusin ko na talaga yan. And meron pang additional gulo. Pero okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. It's not the end of the world. Dito na si Dad. Kulatin.
Because this was in the car.
Nice haircut, babe.
Thank you.
Are we ready to leave?
No, I gotta.
Hello. Where's the remote? This is so loud.
The remote?
Yeah. Oh, babe.
I just not good there, but I tried to there so you can't catch it.
Nakauwi na kami guys. Galing kami sa bahay ng mama niya. We had dinner. Na-mention ka na, diba? Thursday yung dinner. Tapos wala pa din yung kapatid niyo. Naiso. Pagudo yung boto. Pero yeah. Ano yan? Cactus. Pen ito. Dan got this in the Philippines actually. Pen. I don't think. Does this right, babe?
Yeah, it was
Does it? I don't think it works at all. I mean, it looks good, but it doesn't work. That I can put that. Cool. Oh, giants. Yeah. So if GWS wins, what's gonna happen? Oh shoot! I just. Really? Really? If we win.
And when it comes to making a transfer,
yeah. May bill na naman kami. Nakakaloka. Ang daming babayaran. Meron na naman kami ilalagay sa fridge namin. What's the bill again, babe?
Sorry?
What's the bill again? Emergency something?
Service levy.
Emergency service levy? Or just service levy?
Emergency service levy.
Emergency, guys.
That's where the money goes. 32 million a year. Client services and stuff.
About your emergency services levy. Is this gonna give you free ambulance if something happens to you? You still have to pay for the ambulance, right? So what is this emergency levy?
Fires.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Fires. Fire.
Yeah, but $321. So is this quarterly?
Once a year.
Once a year. Okay, that's not bad. Well, that's not too bad.
We usually go $80.
Oh, really? A couple years ago, it was $80. Now it's $320.
Well, you go 80, now it's 320. Big jump in that time.
Yeah. And it's just gonna go higher every year. It's never gonna be like, we will lower it down $10 this year. Oh, we will add 50 this year. So maybe next year it's gonna be 400. Now that's alright. Yeah, that's what you get for living in Australia. Bills. I love it. We should have gotten popcorn on the way. I want popcorn. Di kami nakapag-workout, and then we want to work out tomorrow morning. So I have to wake up really early. We will go at 6. Oh, we will wake up at 6 and then go there at 6:30. Hindi ako nakapanood ng Bachelor kasi late na. Manonood ako mamaya. Nag-upload ako ng video sa bahay ng mama niya. Sobrang lakas ng internet. Ang galing! Meron ako malaking box. Lalagyan ko siya ng mga damit, guys, na yung nabili ko sa Kmart. I've been looking for a box this big. And yeah. Ito yung mga pinadala ng AMI Clubwear. So, mga boxes of shoes siya. So, malaki yung box. And I'm just gonna put... So, I have some in there. And then I have more. Ang gulo, guys. I have more there. So, ilalagay ko lang siya dito. Para organized. Hindi ko to matatapos i-organize lahat ngayon, guys. Kasi, gabi na. Tutulog na kami. Mamaya-maya lang. Siguro manonood kami ng isang episode ng 13 Reasons Why. Yan na yung nagiging routine namin every night. Nanonood kami ng isang episode tapos natutulog kami. Ito na napakita ko na to sa haul ko eh. Actually, maybe halos lahat ng nabili ko sa Kmart, napakita ko na sa vlog ko. Or sa haul. Okay, nice. At least I have that already. That's good.